What are you doing there, Marcus?
Raiders.
Who's a raider?
They're Mickey and Marcus.
Mickey and Marcus are raiders? Yeah? What do raiders do?
The.
They bang their heads?
Yeah.
Yeah. How'd you get that hat on Mickey? How'd you get that helmet on Mickey?
Because at that fit.
It doesn't fit you?
Yes.
It fits Mickey?
Yeah.
Does he like it?
Yes.
What shirt is he wearing?
A helmet.
He's wearing a helmet. How about his shirt?
A polka shirt.
He's wearing a Boca shirt. Wow.
A polka shirt.
Show me some football moves. Show me some football moves.
Wait.
How did the football players do? Do like that on the floor?
No.
Do this?
Yeah. No. They got it with a football.
Yeah. Go. Gonna tackle? All right, mister. Say bye-bye. Let me see.
Bye.